Man who was assaulted and pulled out of their family car over the weekend by a group of bikers has now released a statement. The Lean family was driving on a family outing on a Sunday afternoon when the motorcycles surrounded them. There was a bump which led to his car, Mr. Lean's car, going over one of the motorcyclists. And here's what his wife, Alexian Lean's wife, is now saying about all of this. Our sympathies go out to the injured motorcyclist and his family. However, we were faced with a life-threatening situation, and my husband was forced under the circumstances to take the actions that he did in order to protect the lives of our entire family. We'd like to thank the brave citizens who risked their own safety to intervene on our behalf. This has become a huge story in New York and across the nation. One of the motorcyclists is now facing reckless endangerment charges, as well as endangering the life of a child. They had their 2-year-old daughter in the back seat while they were giving chase.